Hi, I'm Dennis Hansen, the designer, builder, and tester for Woody Logic surfboards. In this video, I'm going to be preparing the 7-foot fun board for fiberglass. There's a lot of things to do before the board's ready for glassing. First thing I'm going to do, I'm going to sand it with 120, whole board, get out all the scratches that I can, level the board, make it as nice as I can. And I want to weigh the board, see where I'm at weight-wise. Next thing I want to do is put in the leash plug. That's pretty simple. And after that I want to lay out where the fins are going to go. So I'll get the copy board up here, put the fins in that, measure that, lay it out on this board. And lastly I want to sign the board. So there's a lot to do. I'm going to get started now.